All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 6, random numbers. This says variables and random numbers. Variables can be assigned a random number too. This lets you save a single random value so that you can use it as many times as you want in your program. Do this. Make the eyes appear at random sizes. Drag out a random number and put it on the right side of the eye size variable block. Update the parameters of the random number block so the eyes appear both big and small. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come into our toolbox and into our math tools, and then we're going to grab the random number and drag it over here because now it says variable eye size gets a random number between, and so let's say between 20 and 100. All right, so it's going to pick some sort of random number in between that. We're going to leave everything else the same. Let's run it and see what it looks like. All right. So you can see the eyes are right there. So we're going to reset and run it again. Whoa. Now this face is very startled. Kind of looks like an alien. All right. We're going to reset and run again. And the eyes are a little more normal. And that's because every time we reset it and run it, it's going to pick a random number between 20 and 100. All right, so let's do this 2 more times. Oh, there we go. Now it kind of looks like Garfield. All right, and one more time. There we go, back to normal. All right, so we're going to click the finish button, and I will see you on the next level.